Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to present to you the SheetProMaker add-on for Google Sheets. So what is the SheetProMaker add-on? It's an AI assistant for Google Sheets. What does it mean? It means that you have access to artificial intelligence, which is like, I don't know, someone with 10 years of experience with Excel or with Google Sheets. You can basically ask anything you want to do to the add-on, and the add-on will do it for you. It sounds crazy, it sounds magical, but thanks to AI capabilities, just like with ChatGPT for text, we are able today to create anything you want with your spreadsheet. Let's see together what it looks like. So first of all, what you need to do is to install the add-on. You can do it from the Google Workspace Marketplace. The link is in the description. You click on install and you will get the add-on added to your Google Sheets. The add-on has been verified by Google. It's available on the official marketplace. It's safe to use. I am the builder of the add-on. I am the creator of it. And my goal is really to make you save a lot of time to create a product which is useful to you. And honestly, I believe that this add-on can make you save so much time. It can maybe even change the world. Why I'm saying that is really because this add-on is limitless. Anything you want to do with your spreadsheet, you can do it. You don't need to be a pro with Google Sheets or with Excel. And even for someone who is, who has a lot of experience with spreadsheets, really this add-on can be super useful. Okay, let's see a simple example. So what we have here, we have a table in Google Sheets. If you are, familiar with Excel or with Google Sheets, you might have seen this table thousands of times. Basically, you have different columns. We have here a client column, and we have here a product purchase column. So the client, in this column have bought this product. You have different lines. So for instance, client 1 and client 2 have bought a t-shirt, client B has bought a TV, and etc. We see that, for instance, for computer, we have different line of clients who have bought computer. Let's say we want to find all the clients who have bought a computer. Of course, you can do it. You can do it with Google Sheets. There are formulas, there are ways to do it. But let's just ask the add-on to do it. It will do it in 1 second. And let's just imagine that you had thousands of lines. Just imagine how much time you will save. Here I just put like few lines, but this can work with hundreds or thousands of lines. It's completely limitless. So okay, now I just started the add-on from the extension menu, clicking on SheetProMaker, start SheetProMaker, and I have the add-on with 4 different actions. I have here the menu of the add-on. So the first action is analysis. So we just ask a question to the add-on, and the add-on will answer to us. It will be just like a text answer, just a response to a question. So yeah, we can ask the question that we had: who are the clients who have bought computer? So just like with ChatGPT, we can write anything we want, and the add-on will understand and will actually perform the analysis. So we just click here. The add-on will read the data inside our spreadsheet and will answer to us. And here we have our answer. The clients who have bought a computer are client C, client 89, and client X5. Client C, client 89, and client X5. You see, this artificial intelligence, it will always give us the correct answer. And you can just have, hundreds of lines in your spreadsheet, or even thousands of lines. It will analyze everything and get you the answer you need. So let's just try another example. So we have 4 actions, right? So here we just tried the first one, analysis. We have also a new Google Sheet tab. So what it does here is actually creating a new spreadsheet based on your data to answer a question. We'll just see an example in a minute. Here we have chart. So chart, it will actually create a chart based on the data you give to the add-on. So if you don't want to play with the menu, it's complicated, sometimes it doesn't work, you just ask the chart you want and the add-on will build it for you. And here we have report. So report will be like a Google Docs, right? Based on the question you ask and the data you provide to the add-on. So here we see that the data is not clean, right? In our table we have client 1 and client 2 in the same line. We have same thing here, like client D and client P for t-shirt, right? Same thing for hoodie. So maybe what we would like, and that's something that can happen a lot, is like in data science, for instance, is to have a line per client. So let's just ask the add-on to rewrite the table with 1 client per line. and we just ask the add-on to do this task, and the add-on will actually create a new sheet with all our clients, but this time it will be one client per line, and boom, that's it. You see, it was really fast. And this, I mean, here you see how much time you can save thanks to the add-on, because even for someone who is familiar with Google Sheet, this task would have taken a lot of time. So here we see that client 1 and client 2 have been splitted. You see, before it was client 1, client 2 on the same line. Same thing here, like client D, client P for t-shirt, right? We have client D and client P for t-shirt. We have client F and client 89, which were also on the same line, and now they are like with distinguished line, right? And you can do that with, I don't know, thousands, hundreds of lines. So, I mean, really, it's completely limitless. It's just like you need to learn a little bit how to speak with the AI. You know, that's really like a skill to write the right prompt, but anything you want to do, you can do it. And I truly believe that this add-on can save you so much time and be so useful to you. I mean, it can accomplish anything you want, really. And I'm always working on it. I'm constantly trying to improve it, so really feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you want to accomplish with the add-on. Let me know what you would like to see. Today there are 4 actions when you see this video. Maybe if you install the add-on, there are more than 4. I'm always trying to improve and to make it better. So let's see another example. For instance, here we have different employees with salary information. Once again, of course, this is fake data, but that's something that you can see a lot with Excel or with Google Sheets, right? So let's say we want to create a chart showing the salary of each employee. Once again, we click on the action we want to do, so chart, right? And we just ask the add-on, so create a chart with salary for each employee. And we just click on go. And I mean, of course we could do that with a menu, right? But here I'm just asking the add-on, and the add-on will do it for me. It will take a bit of time. I know with chart it's a bit longer, but it will work. And just, I mean, you know, I think this is crazy. Like when we speak about AI, I think that's what we are speaking about. It's basically new ways to do things that, I don't know, you would probably used to take hours to do this kind of task before. Today, you can do them in few seconds, okay, maybe few minutes, just the time to find the right prompt, the right way to speak with the AI, and boom, we got the result. Here we will have our chart in. Okay, so let's see what the add-on has done. Yeah, okay, so it has created a HTML chart, employee salaries, Justin, Francis, Gustav, all with their salary information. I mean, we could just check, right, but I'm pretty sure that this is the correct data. The add-on has used the spreadsheet information to create this chart, and you see here I can download it as a PNG. I can just download it as an image to add it in a Word document, in a Google Doc, anything I want. I mean, it's completely crazy. Honestly, it's magical. This add-on can allow you to do things that, I mean, we could not even imagine before. Let's take another example just to conclude, but I mean, I think it's pretty obvious, you know, the value of this kind of AI. It's crazy, and that, you know, I mean, that's what we speak about when we speak about AI changing the world, really. So, okay, I'm going to ask the add-on, write a report with each employee bonus for the year. And I can even ask it to create, you know, to describe, like, you know, describe, I don't know, like say a few lines about the general bonus attribution. Let's try, you know, I mean, I don't know what will be the results. I think it's really like up to you to try it and, you know, just see how far you can go, how much you can create, how much you can build thanks to this AI. Honestly, I don't know everything that is possible to it, but I see that there is something, and I truly believe that, you know, together we can make it even better. So I'm really looking for feedback. Leave me a comment, contact me, my email is in the description. Let me know what you want to do, let me know what you're looking for, and together let's try to build this AI to help us, you know, like to save us a lot of time and to make it go further and better than anything we could have done Okay, so now the report is generated. Let's just open it. Okay, I need to copy the link, but that's something that I will fix. So yeah, let's see. It has created a Google document. Wow. It has created a report. I mean, it's basically just like a report that someone who like a human could have written, but it has created like in a few seconds. So it's just saying that Justin, who has a salary of 111, like I don't know, $111,000, received a bonus of 11. Okay, so let's just have a look. Yeah. I mean, all of this is of course correct. I mean, the add-on is basing its answer right on the information we provide. Yeah, I mean that's really impressive, and honestly, I mean I'm impressed by what this AI can do, and I truly believe it can help you, and that's why I'm trying to create it. I'm trying to improve it. I'm really hoping that you will enjoy using it. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know how to improve it, and let's continue moving forward and saving a lot of time and creating a lot of value together. Thank you very much, and see you. Bye bye.